Hello, my name is Dr. Maskaloff. I'm a chiropractor and founder of ChiroHealth in San Francisco. What I'd like to speak to you today about is how an adjustment can help you with relieving your muscle, joint, or disc pain, as well as restoring the function of the joint. When we go to a medical doctor, most generally what we end up having is a prescription for anti-inflammatories or muscle relaxers. That's great because that addresses our symptoms. Unfortunately, we've missed the bigger portion of the problem, which is finding out what is the cause of your symptoms. When you go to a chiropractor, chiropractors use spinal adjustment or joint adjustment to address the pain as well as to reestablish the proper function in the joints. The first thing that a chiropractor should do when you see one is to perform a range of motion examination. We do perform range of motion by checking the range of motion in each and every vertebrae rather than range of motion of the global cervical spine, for example. That allows us to feel where, at what level of the spine are the restrictions, and most likely from that, when we correlate the findings that from the palpation of the restricted motion along with findings from x-rays and some orthopedic and neurological examination, what we come up is with what we call listing. A listing is a misalignment of a spine or a joint. Another name for the misalignment is subluxation. So your chiropractor should be looking for subluxations that potentially could be causing your pain, muscle spasm, and dysfunction. Subluxation or misalignments look something like that. If we're looking at the back of the spine, what could happen is a small tilt at a specific joint. So this tilt through here is sometimes your body is not able to resolve that subluxation on its own, so it needs a little bit of help from your chiropractor to correct it. The way we correct it is by applying a small force in the right direction with some amplitude and some speed to try to decrease the misalignment and restore the function of the body. The goal is to have a proper alignment not only visually but also between each and every joint. Adjustments, sometimes when we do an adjustment, depending on what type of an adjustment you get, you can actually hear a small crack or pop in the joint, and all that is some release of CO2 gas. The release of CO2 gas causes the pressure inside the joint to release, as well as that promotes more mobility. Chiropractic adjustments are very safe, efficient. We do perform them on the spine. We also can perform chiropractic adjustment on the shoulder, on the knee, hip, pretty much wherever there is a joint. There is no pain associated with the adjustment. The only side effect that people report is some mild soreness that we always tell them that after an adjustment you should ice for 20 minutes. The pain relief is generally felt immediately, and the range of motion and the looseness in the muscles also is felt immediately. The night of the adjustment, symptoms may increase a little bit in a form of tightness or soreness, just like you have moved a part of your body in a way that you haven't moved in a long time, or you have performed an exercise after not being in the gym for so long. But pretty much that would be the only side effect of the adjustment. Adjustments do decrease misalignments and subluxations, just like you would take a course of anti-inflammatories or a course of muscle relaxants. There will be a course of adjustments. Generally 2 to 4 adjustments will decrease your pain significantly. 4 to 8 adjustments will help restore the rest of the function of the joint. I hope this was helpful, and stay well adjusted. Thank you.